Hello everyone, Mike Rempel from Another Set of Eyes with today's Excel Bytes blog post. Today we're going to take a look at the Workday function. And there's actually two different functions that we'll take a look at, but they're very similar, Workday and Workday International. And here's an example of how you might want to use this. We have a project. We're going to start it right after the first of the year. We're going to start it on January 2nd. And we know it's going to take 210 work days to complete. And I know I have a few holidays that I'm not going to have my people work. I haven't decided what we're going to define as the weekend. And what I want to know is what day should we be completed, when should we complete this project. So I'm going to go ahead and start entering the Workday function, and you can see there's Workday and Workday International. Now Workday returns the serial number of the date before or after a specified number of workdays. International does the same, but you can have custom weekend parameters. So let's go with that. I'm going to hit tab on that, and you can see the first thing that they want is the start date, so we can click on our start date there. And just for this example, I'm going to lock that cell. The number of days again is 210. I'm going to lock that also. And now here's where it's different on Workday International. You get to pick what you want to define as your weekends. So in this case, do you want Saturday and Sunday to be our weekends, Sunday and Monday, Monday and Tuesday, etc. Or we may have to go the route of just having Sundays only or Saturdays only be our weekend. So let's just go with the traditional Saturday, Sunday, which is, I'll double click on that, that's a number 1. And then what are our holidays? I can highlight our holidays there, close our parentheses, hit enter, and it tells us that we're going to be done on October 27th, 2014. So since I locked those cells, I'm going to just drag it down here and see what would happen if in here, instead of choosing 1 for Saturday and Sunday, we chose 11 for Sunday only. I hit enter, I can get done on 9/8, which that would be, in terms of calendar days, a whole 49 days earlier. So that's the benefit of going with Workday International function, is you get to define your weekends a little more precisely. If we just use the weekend function, or I'm sorry, Workday function, you would do similarly. You'd have the start date, you would have your number of days, and you would define your holidays. And again, if I format that in the same as dates, again I would have the same result, 1027, as I did with the Workday International when I chose number 1, which was Saturday and Sunday. But there's no parameters in the Workday function to be able to adjust that. So better thing to do would be use Workday International. It gives you more flexibility on determining your weekends and what days you want to be able to work. And that's the Workday function in Excel. Hope you liked it. Thanks for stopping by. If you'd like to see more, please go to my website, excel-bytes.com, and feel free to subscribe. Happy excelling.